I realized I haven't shown you guys how to make any desserts. Let's fix that right now with Bananas Foster. Like many of the all-time greats, this dish was born in New Orleans, and there are a few ways to make it. This version comes together the quickest and with the fewest ingredients, and it turns out to be my favorite version regardless. Let's go. Step 1, get a saute pan going over medium heat. This is a 10-inch pan. Throw in half a stick of butter. While that's melting, add in 2/3 of a cup dark brown sugar, a 1/4 cup of dark rum. That's one of those little nips that you'll see on airplanes, and you'll find them empty in your boss's wastebasket. 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract, and a 1/2 teaspoon of cinnamon. Whisk it all together, and when it starts to bubble, carefully add in a few sliced bananas. They don't have to go in all at once if you don't have room for them. You're just warming them up before serving. So do it in a few shifts if you need to. The bananas go into a bowl, and a scoop of ice cream rounds it out. Vanilla's the classic, but follow your heart. Sometimes I go with coffee. That's it. Bananas Foster. Thank you for watching all the way to the end of this one. If I was able to help you out today, you can help me by hitting that subscribe button and saying hi in the comments. Peace.